This video is Raspberry Pi Headless setup. For this, you'll need a couple of things: a Raspberry Pi, a micro SD card, and a 5V power supply. Next step is to download the operating system for the Raspberry Pi. To do that, go to the following website. And then download the latest version of Raspbian by clicking the download zip. Next, we need to load the downloaded Raspbian into a micro SD card. For that, we need a software called Etcher. Go to etcher.io. Before that, plug in the micro SD card to a computer. Download the one which is suitable for your operating system and then install it. I have already installed it in my computer, so I'm going to open it. Click Select Image. Select the downloaded Raspbian image. Make sure your micro SD card is selected, then click Flash. Grant permission if prompted. After flashing, you'll find two partitions: boot and root. The root partition cannot be opened in a Windows Explorer. Next, create a text file called wpa_supplicant.conf and enter the following text. Make sure to replace your SSID with your Wi-Fi name and password. Then copy the file into the boot folder. Also make a blank folder called SSH. Then eject your SD card. Now plug in the micro SD card into the Raspberry Pi. Connect the Pi to the power supply. The green light is blinking, that means the Pi is booting up. Next, to find the IP address of the Raspberry Pi, In the search bar, type command prompt, open it, and type ipconfig. The default gateway is the IP address of your router. Copy that. Open any web browser of your choice, then paste the IP address. This is your router's login page, so log into your router. Keep in mind that you may have a different router, so the option you have may differ. In the DHCP information, you can see the list of connected devices. Look for Raspberry Pi, copy its IP address. Next, install a software called Pi. Open it and then paste the IP address. And then click open. Now log into the Raspberry Pi. The details are displayed on the lower right corner. We have logged into Raspberry Pi. Now a few more things have to be set up. Type sudo raspi config. Select localization option. Then select change time zone. Then select the one which is suitable for you. For me, it's Asia, Kolkata. After that, select finish. Do the sudo raspi config command one more time. Select advanced option. Select expand file system and then select OK. Select finish. Would you like to reboot now? Select yes. Wait for 1 minute, then log into the Raspberry Pi again. Now we will update the Raspberry Pi by typing the following command. Now the last step is to upgrade Pi. If you find the video useful, please like and subscribe. Thank you.